Good morning, Audrey.
Good morning.
What's your name?
Audrey. Lily the mother.
Wow. What's your dad's name?
Morby.
What's your mommy's name?
Shay Shay.
What's your nana's name?
Nana.
Nana Angie. What's your cousin's name?
Joyce.
And what about the baby? What's his name?
Baby Mario.
Oh.
Can I see?
Hold on. Make a funny face. Silly face. Stick your tongue out. Silly kid.